Welcome back, everyone. Here is the little gifts that you are going to be able to put in the gift bags that we just made in the last video. So for a Barbie baby shower, you will need presents to fit in the gift bags. So I have 2 sets, and I also have combined them onto one sheet that should print on A4. And this is an 8.5 by 11. And I will go ahead and show you that I'm going to do this. The books are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have all the books cut out now, and I wanted to go over how easy this is. I am going to be using a 2mm foam sheet that I got at Hobby Lobby for $1. I cut out a strip for these books, and you just put the book over it like this and press firmly on here, and then you will glue it. And after the glue is dry, then you will come in here with scissors and trim. So I will show you what this looks like after they are all glued. Okay, so I have most of them glued on here, and it looks really good. I've started to glue along this edge, and it wasn't the perfectly straight edge, so I flipped them over and got them all glued on. I did, however, forget to tell you of a way that you can do it at home for free. I always promise on my channel, if I have to have you buy something besides the templates that I have in my store for $1 or $2, to show you a free way to do it as well. Now this book has an actual, a little bit thicker of a binding. So what I wanted to show you is just squeeze and squeeze on these 2 blue lines here so that you'll have a little bit more of a crease. There we go. And there. And then I'll show you how they work with all the different size dolls. Here are the finished books. They are a really great size for all different dolls. You can see they fit in the gift bags perfectly. They are great for 1/12 scale, which is the mini American Girl that I use as a big sister. She seems to fit in quite nicely as the babysitter and the big sister, and the books are the perfect size to fit in Barbie's hand and will give Mom lots of fun reading with knowledge like Baby's First Bath, Baby's First Foods, Baby's First Year, Get Baby to Sleep. And then there are storybooks like The Jungle Animals, The Little Golden Bear, and Somebody Loves You. We have all of these great little baby books. So you have so many different things you can fill inside these gift bags.